Every year we select the student with the highest GPA to be valedictorian. This year there was a 17-way tie for the highest GPA. These students had demanding electives, were involved in campus life, and the deciding factor came down to NWA test scores. It is my honor to introduce our valedictorian, Muthreja.
Thank you, Nana. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Principal Camacho, faculty, staff, families, and most importantly, the class of 2026. It is a huge honor to be standing here today as the valedictorian of Cesar Chavez Middle School, as we celebrate this incredible milestone together. Everyone, we finally made it. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the amazing teachers and administrators at our school. Through their support and immense dedication, they have helped us achieve our goals and get one step closer to our dreams. A few notable mentions of teachers who have gone above and beyond in supporting me are Mr. Espejo, Ms. Munoz, Mr. Kubi, Coach Harrison, Mr. Sombrero, and of course, none other than Mr. Rolla. I would also like to say I would not be standing here today without my family, especially my mom. My mom means the world to me, and she has put tremendous faith in me, even when I had none myself. Finally, to all of my friends, especially those who have been there since day one, such as Paul Huntoon, thank you for sticking with me. Time has flown by so quickly. It feels as if it was only a moment ago we were confused sixth graders, trying to figure out how to open our lockers, walk around campus, and get to class on time. To be honest, I didn't even know there was a Y wing inside of the school until my 7th grade year. Throughout these years, I have learned several things. Ms. Munoz had a student project in my 8th grade year in which we wrote a letter to our 8th grade self. A few weeks ago, I received that letter, and it really made me reflect on my middle school journey. Since then, I have accomplished some of the goals that I set for myself, and others I didn't quite get to. I was able to join the leadership program, even if it was briefly. I ran for student government and was elected your vice president. Thanks for that, by the way. And I remember back in 7th grade when I could barely do a push-up. Now, I hope you all know I can do an incredible 12. These small victories show the essence of what middle school was about. Every single one of you today has gained your own victories. Maybe not all at once, and maybe not in ways that were obvious, but you did. I hope you can find time to reflect on these past 3 years and everything you learned. And I hope you are ready to keep that same mindset as we enter high school. Speaking of high school, in just a few months, we will step foot on a new campus as freshmen. Once again, everything will be completely new to us. New classes, new faces, new challenges, and new opportunities. And with this big change, I am sure that many of you are feeling uncertain. But it's key to remember that once again, we will get past those hardships. The next time you are in front of a wall that is stopping you from accomplishing your goals, whether it's a really tough test or class, a hurdle getting better at a sport, or a personal struggle you face, remember this moment. Remember how you found ways to overcome those things these past 3 years, and the joy you felt to finally graduate from middle school. I will always look back to middle school in a fond way. Whether it was student government and leadership, or the time Mr. Espejo made us sing the quadratic formula song on repeat in algebra class, these moments have shown me the qualities that truly make this school one of a kind. It's the people along the way who make the memories all worth it. Cesar Chavez Middle School is the place in which we all truly made an impact, in which we laughed and learned, strived and succeeded, and failed and flourished together. To the class of 2026, keep pushing, keep growing, keep learning, and keep making sure that you don't forget to find a way to be a hawk today. Thank you so much.